Hey, dude. Hey Jeff, what do you think about that in Tuscaloosa?
We got a truck trouble up there. We lost it. In fact, we got a dispatcher and her husband missing.
Oh my God, they're missing. They hadn't checked in since Wednesday?
That's just so David's on his way up there right now to find out what's going on.
Yeah.
We don't know if they're dead or they're in the hospital or what. We don't know.
You know, I watched the video this morning where it was comprehensive, and it looks a lot like the tsunami hit it.
Yep.
You know?
Yep.
And that's Mississippi, Alabama, they got hit by the storm, you know.
Yep.
Katrina, Ike, and then now the middle of the state and the north state has some coal mine accidents.
Yep.
Oh boy, you never know, man. Each day, just got to take it. Jeff, thanks for everything. Hey, I'm working on your mom's, I'm talking to you.
Huh? Go home. Go home. I'm going back to bed. Y'all go home. It's over. Go home.
Everybody go home. Party's over. I'm talking to your mom. I got some new synthetic polyurethane concrete leveler.
Right.
And I just bought a kit of it. I'm going to practice on my dad's concrete. It's a polymer that raises and levels everything. It's really cool. Thanks, Jeff. That's cool. You got some cooking? That's nice. Perfect. That's great. That is amazing. He's got chicken, ribs, barbecue beef. How was China? Oh, China was amazing. I've got some videos up. What I was doing over there is I skipped the stone. I had access to a stone cutter, a shape, certain shape, a pentagon shape, and I designed it where it has a longer axis. And I skipped the stone over 62 times. Stayed on the water almost 10 seconds. I brought a video of it.
Is that?
It's amazing. Got some fun over there.
So is that why you were following the guy with
I was saying, man,
Is he feeding you?
it looks good. He got everything in there. You hear how the clarity of his sound? Take care, y'all. Bye. I'd empty his pockets if I was you. Hello. Johnny, this Go Kid, this electric machine is the best way to see a parade. Okay, let's go to GameStop. Want to? Huh? You can find.